I mean, it's an ecosystem thing, and we saw this in spades in the earlier days of Red Hat, where we would enter into a discussion with a company, and some of these are huge multinational global organizations that had active policies against open source. Now this is a whole different podcast. This is a whole different webinar discussion.
Yeah, that's the thing that feels very legacy to me, though. That's just like a big old company vibe. Like any big old company, I expect like getting them involved in open source in an authentic way that doesn't involve like fighting with legal for 6 months. I expect that to be a battle with any like sufficiently large, sufficiently old company, or with like literally any company in some specific industries like banking, right? Like in that space, I expect it to be a fight every time. But, you know, we're seeing more and more companies with OSPOs, open source program offices, for those listening who do not know what an OSPO is, and more and more authentic participation. So I agree. I think the tide is turning